Then sprinkle some chaat masala on top of the aubergine. It gives a really nice taste, and garnish it with some coriander leaves. There you go guys, the recipe is ready now. This is a super simple and easy recipe. You will absolutely love it. And if you like this recipe, then please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And there are so many other recipes on my channel. Please do have a look. And thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.